Hello everyone, welcome to another video about my herb gardening. Today I will get another seed start going, and to prepare I'm making and sterilizing a new batch of my soil mix. My mix is composed of 1/3 of coco coir, 1/3 of perlite and 1/3 of organic soil. So, obviously, the first step is mixing these three ingredients. You can use a small scoop shovel or just mix it by hand, just like I prefer to do it. Next step is to pour boiling water on the soil mix. To heat up the soil and kill all the eggs of the dormant fungus gnats in the soil. The heat will kill them. You can see the steam coming out of the soil right here. After pouring the boiling water on the soil, just thoroughly mix the soil. The last step is covering the hot steaming soil with aluminum paper to keep the heat inside the soil, and let the heat do its work, killing the eggs of the fungus gnats. So cover well on the sides. The aluminum paper feels really very hot. So just let it cool off during a couple of hours and the soil mix is ready for use. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.